In this video, we're going to solve a linear equation in one variable problem. So the problem is 5x plus 8 times the quantity 2x minus 9 is equal to 54. So what we're going to do here first is we're going to distribute 8 on 2x minus 9. So let's write 5x plus, let's multiply 8 times 2x, that would be equal to 16x. 8 times negative 9, that is equal to negative 72, is equal to 54. So let's combine 5x plus 16x, that would be equal to 21x, is equal to, let's transpose 72 on the other side of the equation, so we'll be having 72 plus 54 here. So let's combine 72 plus 54, that is equal to 126. Then we're going to divide both sides by 21. Then we can cancel 21 here, and we'll be left with 126 over 21. If we reduce it to lowest form, 126 over 21 is equal to 6. So that's the answer for the problem. I hope you guys learned something today.